When you stop working out or exercising regularly, your body undergoes various changes over time. These changes can be both physical and physiological. Here are some common effects of discontinuing regular exercise. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video is about what happens when you stop working out. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Muscle atrophy. Muscle atrophy occurs when the muscle fibers you've built through exercise start to break down and shrink due to disuse. This process can begin as early as 1 to 2 weeks after you stop working out, and the rate of muscle loss can vary among individuals. Mechanism: muscle atrophy occurs due to a reduction in muscle protein synthesis and an increase in muscle protein breakdown. When you stop working out, the stimulus for muscle growth provided by resistance training or weightlifting is removed, leading to a shift in the balance towards muscle breakdown. Timeline: muscle atrophy can start as early as 1 to 2 weeks of inactivity. However, the rate and extent of muscle loss depend on factors such as age, genetics, and previous training level. More significant muscle loss typically occurs after several weeks or months of not exercising. Reversibility: the good news is that muscle atrophy is often reversible. When you resume regular resistance training or strength exercises, you can regain lost muscle mass and strength. This process is known as muscle hypertrophy. Strength and endurance decline. The loss of muscle mass directly correlates with a decrease in physical strength. You'll find it increasingly challenging to perform activities that require strength, and your endurance levels will also plummet. Climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or engaging in recreational sports may become more difficult. Cardiovascular fitness reduction. Your cardiovascular system adapts to regular exercise by becoming more efficient at pumping blood and oxygen. When you stop working out, your heart rate may increase, and your cardiovascular fitness will decline, making it harder to engage in activities that require sustained aerobic effort. Weight gain and body composition changes. Physical activity helps burn calories and regulate body weight. Without exercise, you may start to gain weight, particularly if your diet remains unchanged. This weight gain can lead to alterations in your body composition, with a shift towards a higher percentage of body fat. Metabolic changes. Regular exercise is associated with better metabolic health. When you stop working out, your metabolism may slow down, potentially leading to weight gain and increasing the risk of metabolic conditions like insulin resistance and metabolic syndrome. Slowed metabolism. Regular exercise increases the number of mitochondria, the energy factories, in your cells, leading to a higher resting metabolic rate. When you stop working out, your metabolism may slow down, meaning you burn fewer calories at rest. Weight gain. A slower metabolism combined with a potential increase in calorie consumption can lead to weight gain. This can be particularly problematic if you continue to eat the same amount of food as when you were exercising regularly. Insulin sensitivity. Exercise enhances insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your cells to absorb glucose from the bloodstream. When you cease exercising, your body may become less sensitive to insulin, potentially contributing to higher blood sugar levels. Bone density loss. Weight-bearing exercises stimulate bone growth and density. Inactivity can result in a gradual reduction in bone density, especially in weight-bearing bones like the spine and hips. This decline can raise the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Mood and mental health. Exercise is a potent mood enhancer due to the release of endorphins and other neurochemicals. When you stop exercising, you may experience mood swings, increased stress levels, anxiety, and a greater susceptibility to depression. Exercise is often recommended as a part of therapy for mental health conditions. Endorphin release. Exercise triggers the release of endorphins, which are natural mood lifters and stress relievers. These chemicals can create a sense of well-being and reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. Stress reduction. Regular physical activity helps regulate the stress response in your body, reducing the production of stress hormones like cortisol. When you stop exercising, your body may become more reactive to stressors. Neurotransmitter changes. Exercise influences the balance of neurotransmitters in the brain, such as serotonin and dopamine, which are linked to mood regulation. The absence of exercise can disrupt this balance, potentially leading to mood swings and mental health challenges. Reduced flexibility and mobility. Physical activity helps maintain joint flexibility and range of motion. Without exercise, your joints can become stiff and your overall mobility may decrease. This can impact your ability to perform daily tasks with ease and comfort. Joint health. Regular exercise promotes joint health by improving the lubrication and flexibility of your joints. When you stop moving, your joints may become less flexible, leading to stiffness and discomfort. Muscle tightness. Muscles can become tight and inflexible with inactivity, making it harder to perform simple movements like bending over or reaching for objects. This can lead to discomfort and a decreased quality of life. Loss of range of motion. The range of motion in your joints can decrease when you stop exercising. This can affect your ability to perform daily tasks, participate in sports or recreational activities, and maintain good posture. Insulin sensitivity. Regular exercise improves insulin sensitivity, aiding in the regulation of blood sugar levels. Stopping exercise can lead to reduced insulin sensitivity, potentially increasing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Role of exercise. Regular physical activity helps your body use insulin more effectively. Muscles that are active during exercise are more receptive to glucose uptake. This helps regulate blood sugar levels and lowers the risk of insulin resistance. Consequences of inactivity. When you stop exercising, the beneficial effects on insulin sensitivity diminish. This can lead to higher blood sugar levels, making it more challenging for your body to control glucose, potentially increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes if you have other risk factors. Reversibility. The good news is that resuming exercise can improve insulin sensitivity relatively quickly. Even moderate physical activity can have a positive impact on blood sugar regulation. Increased risk of chronic diseases. A sedentary lifestyle is associated with an elevated risk of various chronic diseases, including cardiovascular diseases, heart disease, hypertension, metabolic disorders, type 2 diabetes, and some cancers. When you stop exercising, you become more vulnerable to these health conditions. Loss of exercise-induced adaptations. The positive adaptations your body undergoes in response to regular exercise start to reverse when you stop working out. These adaptations include improvements in cardiovascular capacity, increased muscle mass, and enhanced endurance. Physical deconditioning. Physical deconditioning refers to the overall decline in physical fitness and health that occurs due to inactivity. This can lead to reduced energy levels, diminished physical capabilities, and an overall lower quality of life. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.